Windows play a crucial role in keeping your McLean home comfortable, energy efficient, and visually appealing. When windows function properly, they help regulate indoor temperatures, reduce energy costs, and protect your home from the elements. However, when issues begin to develop, they can quickly escalate into costly repairs if ignored. Recognizing common window problems early can help McLean homeowners protect their investment and maintain a comfortable living environment. Drafts and air leaks. One of the most common window issues homeowners experience is drafts. If you notice cool air entering your home during winter or warm air during summer, your windows may have air leaks. These leaks are often caused by worn-out weather stripping, deteriorating seals, or small gaps around the frame. Drafty windows force your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Over time, this can lead to higher energy bills and unnecessary strain on your heating and cooling system. Addressing air leaks promptly through resealing or weather stripping can significantly improve energy efficiency and indoor comfort. Condensation between window panes. Condensation on the inside of a window is usually normal during certain weather conditions. However, condensation trapped between the panes of double or triple pane windows is a sign of a more serious problem. This issue often occurs when the seal that holds the insulated glass unit together fails. Once the seal breaks, moisture can enter the space between the panes, causing foggy or cloudy glass that never fully clears. Besides affecting visibility, this problem reduces the window's insulating ability and can increase energy loss. In many cases, replacing the glass unit or the entire window may be necessary to restore performance. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows should open and close smoothly. If you struggle to operate them, it may indicate several underlying issues. Dirt and debris in the tracks, warped frames, damaged hardware, or misaligned components can all interfere with proper operation. Windows that are difficult to open can also pose safety risks, especially during emergencies when quick exits are necessary. Regular maintenance, cleaning, and repairs can often resolve these problems before they worsen. Water leaks around the window frame. Water intrusion is a serious concern that homeowners should never ignore. If you notice water stains, peeling paint, or damp areas around your windows, it may indicate a leak. Poor installation, cracked seals, damaged flashing, or aging caulking are common causes. Even small leaks can lead to bigger problems over time, including mold growth, wood rot, and structural damage to your walls. Addressing water leaks early helps protect both your home's structure and indoor air quality. Rising energy bills. If your energy bills have increased without a clear explanation, your windows could be part of the problem. Older or damaged windows often lose their ability to properly insulate your home. Gaps, deteriorating seals, and outdated glass technology allow heat to escape during winter and enter during summer. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows or repairing failing components can help restore proper insulation and reduce monthly utility costs. Visible damage to window frames. Cracked, warped, or rotting window frames are more than just cosmetic issues. Frame damage can compromise the window's stability and allow air and moisture to enter your home. Wood frames are especially vulnerable to rot if exposed to repeated moisture. If frame damage is caught early, repairs may be possible. However, severe deterioration often requires window replacement to ensure long-term durability and protection. Protecting your McLean home. Ignoring window problems can lead to higher repair costs and reduced comfort in your home. By paying attention to warning signs like drafts, condensation, operational difficulties, or water leaks, McLean homeowners can address issues early and maintain the performance of their windows. Regular inspections and timely repairs help ensure your windows continue to provide the protection, efficiency, and beauty your home deserves. If you suspect your windows may be experiencing problems, consulting a professional can help you determine the best solution for your home.